Have you ever imagined the thrilling combination of electric vehicles with manual transmissions? Well, it's not just a fantasy anymore. Toyota, a pioneering name in the automotive industry, is set to blend the charm of manual gear shifting with the eco-friendliness of electric vehicles. This move, seemingly a nod to traditional driving enthusiasts, is more than just about nostalgia. Let's step back in time. Picture the early motorcycles from Harley-Davidson. With their single speed belt drives, these machines were limited to a modest 28 miles per hour. The introduction of multi-speed transmissions was a game-changer, propelling these bikes to exhilarating speeds of 80 to 90 miles per hour. This historical leap is a perfect analogy for the evolution we're witnessing in electric cars. Why the need for multiple gears in electric vehicles, you might wonder? Here's the catch. Electric motors, while exceptionally efficient at lower speeds, tend to guzzle electricity and lose efficiency at higher speeds. A multi-gear system, just like in the case of early motorcycles, could allow these motors to run at optimal speeds, using less power and enhancing efficiency. This logic makes perfect sense, yet most EV manufacturers have shied away from this path, perhaps due to cost considerations or the additional weight of a multi-gear transmission. But Toyota, with its strategic and thoughtful approach, sees the potential. They're not rushing into this. They're observing, analyzing, and preparing to make a move that could transform the future of electric driving. As fascinating as this sounds, let's not forget the current landscape of electric vehicles and the hype around them. Companies like VinFast are vigorously competing with giants like Tesla, yet their financial realities tell a different story. The illusion of value in the EV market, often propped up by unconventional stock market maneuvers like SPACs, doesn't always reflect the true innovation or sustainability of these ventures. Speaking of sustainability, let's touch upon a topic that's often overlooked: the infrastructure supporting these electric dreams. The idea of transforming the entire electrical grid to accommodate an influx of EVs is daunting. The US grid, with its complex web of aging lines and varying capacities, is barely coping with current demands. How can it possibly handle millions of electric cars? Remember, the practicality of large-scale changes in energy and transportation systems involves more than just ambitious political statements or technological advancements. It requires a deep understanding of existing infrastructures, realistic assessments of capabilities, and, most importantly, a gradual and well-planned approach to change. But let's shift gears back to electric vehicles and their evolving technology. The potential of multi-speed transmissions in EVs isn't just about efficiency. It's about the driving experience. The joy of shifting gears, the control it offers, and the connection it creates between the driver and the vehicle are aspects that many driving enthusiasts cherish. This blend of tradition and technology could open up electric vehicles to a whole new audience. Moving forward, let's unravel the technicalities behind this revolutionary idea. Imagine an electric vehicle with a manual transmission. At its heart, an electric motor, known for its instant torque and smooth operation, paired with a gearbox allowing drivers to manually select gears. This combination promises not just improved efficiency at varied speeds, but also a more involved driving experience. But how does this work in practice? Electric motors operate differently from internal combustion engines. They can reach their maximum torque almost instantly and maintain a consistent power output across a wide range of speeds. This is why most EVs don't need a transmission. Their single-speed setup provides a balance of power and efficiency across most driving conditions. However, when we introduce multi-gear systems, we're talking about optimizing this power distribution even further, especially at higher speeds. The idea is not without its challenges. Adding a transmission to an electric vehicle means more parts, more complexity, and potentially more things that could go wrong. But it also means more control over the vehicle's power delivery. Drivers can select lower gears for more torque and quicker acceleration, or higher gears for better efficiency at cruising speeds. It's a trade-off between simplicity and performance. Now let's consider the environmental impact. Electric vehicles are hailed for their green credentials, but the reality is a bit more nuanced. Manufacturing an EV, especially one with complex components like a multi-speed transmission, has its own environmental footprint. We need to weigh these factors when we talk about the sustainability of such innovations. It's not just about the vehicle itself, but the entire life cycle, from manufacturing to disposal. The introduction of more complex transmissions into electric vehicles might raise questions about resource usage, recyclability, and overall environmental impact. However, if the increased efficiency leads to longer range and better performance, it could offset these concerns by reducing the overall energy consumption of the vehicle. As we dive deeper into this topic, it's important to remember the bigger picture. The automotive industry is at a crossroads, with electric vehicles representing a significant shift in how we think about personal transportation. This transition isn't just about replacing gasoline with electricity, it's about reimagining the entire driving experience. The potential reintroduction of manual transmissions in EVs symbolizes this shift, a blend of the old and the new, tradition and innovation. And let's not forget the role of consumer preferences in shaping this future. The market for electric vehicles is rapidly expanding, but it's not monolithic. Different drivers have different needs and desires. Some may prefer the simplicity and ease of a traditional single-speed EV, while others might crave the engagement and control of a manual transmission. By offering a range of options, automakers can cater to a broader audience and accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles. As we near the end of our discussion, it's clear that the idea of manual transmissions in electric vehicles is more than just a technical exercise. It's a symbol of the evolving relationship between humans and machines, a sign that even in an increasingly automated world, there's still room for personal control and involvement. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder to our viewers: if you're enjoying this deep exploration into the future of electric vehicles and the exciting prospects it holds, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us continue to bring you insightful content on the latest in technology and innovation. Throughout our journey today, we've explored how the melding of traditional automotive mechanics with modern electric technology could redefine the future of driving. This blend could offer the best of both worlds: the efficiency and sustainability of electric power with the engagement and pleasure of manual control. And now, to conclude, the world of electric vehicles is evolving rapidly, with innovations like manual transmissions challenging our traditional notions of what these cars can be. As we look to the future, it's clear that the journey of EVs is just beginning, and we can't wait to see where it takes us. Thank you for joining us on AI Tech Underground. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology and its endless possibilities.